That is
So for developing anything in a habit, what I have felt for myself, I don't know about others, that it's for developing a habit, you need a hand holding in a routine. That every day that hand holding should be there.
see, our mind works in a particular way. Usually, what we are trying to do is somebody should come and make us practice something regularly in a particular way. Now, what I am transmitting or what I am giving you is a live process. It is not a dead process. Not like yoga. You do. Somebody says, "Okay, ऐसा करो, ऐसा करो, ऐसा करो." No, not like pranayam. ऐसा करना for this period of time. No, not that. This is a live process which will be given to you, and it will evolve through you. For example, I'll give you a very simple example. Not the right kind of example, but very simplistic way so that you can understand what I'm saying. Suppose you are able to hold your breath for at this point of time for 8 counts. Now, by doing all the practices, what will happen? A certain strength will build in your system. You will be able to hold for more. Now, if somebody guides you, he will only guide you. He will only finish the process in a particular time period. Or always he will teach you one way of doing things. No, it should not be the way. The practice will evolve with your strength. It will evolve with your strength. So you need to give time, your personal time to the practice, not a common time to the practice, a personal time to the practice, and it will grow with you. So giving you a very rude or crude kind of an example. This is one way, but it will evolve you in so many different dimensions. But this kumbhak will be personal to you, not common. So even if there are practice sessions, you will be told to do your practice, not a common practice. I can guide you for a common practice. Acha, ye karo, ye karo, ye karo. Everybody will do that. But you have a customized module. How do you expect 50 people doing, even one person addressing all the 50 people at the same time? It cannot happen. That is why we are saying this is a customized thing. This is a live process which will be taught to you. So you need to build it. If you want to come out of it, nobody else wants you to come out of it. Understand this. You want to come out of it. So it is your personal kumbhak, your personal time. And of course, it will do much more than what you can even think of. This is not just about disease reversal. This is about completely changing your life, the very experience of life.